spray tan peeps. I wanted to do a video and show you the way that we do the powder for powdering all our clients after they get sprayed. It's especially here in Miami, it's so important that we just kind of do like a light mist of the powder all over where they're finished spraying, because it's so humid. Besides, summer is just around the corner. We need to have our clients feel very comfortable when they leave our salon. And what I have in here, it's this usually I have talked about this one. You can get it on Amazon, and it's called a Pest Pistol. And it's usually, it looks like this size. They have different colors. I like the red one since we are like, our colors are red. So usually what we do, I go to Publix. Let's see, we can see it in here. It's a regular cornstarch. And what's good about it, that it's talc free. And as you have seen all over social media, that they have said how bad it is to talk, to breathe it, and bad for our lungs. So that's why we began using, products that are good for our health and for our clients' health, which is very important. So cornstarch, anything talc free. And what we do, we just fill this up. Like, they usually need to be filled up pretty high up. So when you poof your clients, it needs to be like this. And it's pretty, just kind of looks, really works very well, because they don't need to get white out of the salon. They just need to have like a light mist of this powder that will totally make it be like nice and feel dry, even has like a nice smell. And I believe it's like a very good additive for your clients. We don't charge extra for this because this doesn't cost much, but it does add a great add-on for your service of spray tan. So again, this is a Pest Pistol. You can get it at Amazon, and like I said, you fill it up so you can really kind of poof